Okay, guys. I just got one work. It's a power bank. Hooray! Yeah, to those people who I randomly get these texts how to fix power banks, and I just really don't know exactly in words how to explain that. But thank God for this video, or should I say, for my friend. He just brought this over, and he be like, I've been trying to fix it up, but it's not really working. No, I'm pretty sure that's not the full story. So let's just open this up. Okay, by the way, it's a 20,000 mAh power bank from SH Plus. I don't know what company this is. Yeah, but if you say this is 20,000 mAh, so should be way, pretty much heavier. But no, it's cool. It's okay. It's okay. We can say this is 20,000 mAh. It has 2 point outlets, out one and out two, and each is 2.1 amp each. Wow. Okay. All right. Cool. So let's just open this up and see how the insides are. Okay. He says he's been trying to fix it up for like 2 weeks. So I don't know how bad he's gotten everything in there. Okay. So whoa, whoa, whoa. Amazing. Okay, so with the power bank, this is essentially what you have. The batteries, see what I'm saying? And the board, and I think he's been trying to, see, fix that to this board, and I think that's where he messed everything up. Whoa. I don't know. Can we do this? I don't really know, but let's just see if this works. If it works, I'm gonna post this video. If it doesn't, yeah, you won't even know I made the video like this. Okay, so guys, let's work on this, see if we can bring it to life. If you're just finding me, I mean, if you're just finding out that I do stuff like this, just hit the like button, share this video, and then try to subscribe to my YouTube channel. By the way, I have a YouTube channel. Go subscribe to it, please. Thank you.
So basically, this is what we have. Okay? So first of all, I'm gonna have to like clear these things off. Okay? Alright. That's cool. Okay, I'm gonna try to see if this works. I got a screw here, so let me just. I think I don't need this. Okay, so I don't really know if this is working or this bad. I don't know, but there's only one way to find out. I just need to like plug this thing in. Whoa, you see that? Yeah, I think it's working. But that doesn't really guarantee this whole board is working, so I think that is working, and next we should be testing is the continuity, you know. So okay, what I'm literally doing is just checking if there is any bridge or so. Okay, let me check for. Okay, you see that? You see the lights? I think there's nothing wrong with that. To me, I think this board is working, but we don't really know that unless we connect it to the battery. So let's go to right. I think he did this. Okay, looking at this point, you see that it is in parallel. That the connection 1 and 2 is in parallel. Okay, so it means from this point to here is missing. Okay, so we need to join here to here to make it work. All right, so I'm thinking if I punch through here and then also punch a hole here and then I link these 2 points with a connector, it might work. I mean, it will work definitely just like this. So next thing we're going to be figuring out is how long we need our connectors to be. Okay, so we just fit this back to this point and we just so to know which side, because I could actually flip this like this and then I could also flip this other way, so which side is true, so it's written here. We can see that this is the positive and this is the negative side. Okay, we don't really know which terminal here is positive and which is negative, so I have my positive and negative. So if I should touch here and I touch here and the deflection is positive, yeah, I know that that is my positive. Oh, so okay, so if I should place this thing here like this, oh shit. Oh, remember, you don't have to short circuit anything you're doing. You have to be so careful because these batteries are so powerful. Yeah, they could just blow up things, you know. If you should short circuit anything here, it goes kaboom. So let's just place this from above. I think that is it. We don't even need long connectors. It fits, perfectly. So you can see that's how much connector we need. So I'm going to use this cable, this wire. I think it's perfect for this job. So I just cut it into shape and now I'm soldering it on. You just have to be really careful here so you don't burn the whole thing. This is how it looks. So let's do the top side. Oh, this thing is so hot. Perfect. This looks, this feels a little bit dusty, so I'm just going to like brush this off with feel, you know. Here we go. Okay, first of all, before we join it together, so I'm just going to like tap a little bit of lead on this, and I think we're gonna do away with that. Okay, so I'm going to tap a little bit of lead on here. Just like so. There we go. And place this right here. And yeah. Perfect. Okay. See those sparks? That feels a little bit weak. You know what? We haven't even tested the batteries. Okay, so I'm just going to run a quick test on this. Just going to run a quick test on this. Let's see. Oh, this battery is too low. We have to like wake it up. We have to like boost it. So what I'm literally doing is applying a direct vote. I don't know if this is theoretical or I don't know, but it just works sometimes. Just apply direct vote of 5. To parallel to the terminals, just like so, and for some seconds or a minute or so, yeah, it quickly boosts the power. Okay, So let's add some more lead to this other area. Okay. So now let's join our negative side. Let's glue our negative terminal. Um, that is fine, not bad. Okay. I'm not going to glue this other side yet, so I'm just going to try and see. I'm literally trying to test if this board is working, so I'm just going to plug this in and hold on for some minutes, to see if there is going to be any change. Okay, we see that it just increased to 1%. Okay, so I think our board is good. It's good. Okay, so we can now glue this. Not bad neither. All right, so let's. Oh, I'm afraid we have to pull this out to insert our little guy here. Must have skipped him while trying to do some serious job. Okay, let's have this back into its place, just like that. And our little screw. Then I'm just going to apply glue gun or glue gum, whatever. Yeah, to hold our casing in place.
But guys, this won't always be the fault of your power bank. I mean, if your power bank ever had to break down, you know, at the beginning of this video, I had already predicted that that wasn't the full story. I mean, what my friend told me, okay? So I just had a call with him a few minutes ago, and he confessed to me that literally the power bank wasn't really faulty, okay? That it just had this slight malfunction. I mean, if he were to charge it from zero, you know, the display will only count from 0 up to 5 and then holds there till, after about 1 hour or few hours of charge, I mean continuous charging, to just keep all the way to 100. Okay, so he was wondering what is causing that. He was like, maybe I should just open it up and then try to fix it. And so on the course of opening, that made him break the terminals, the positive and negative. So I'm guessing he's not really, used to stuff like that. If you've not, seen the insides of most of these gadgets and then you try to open them forcefully, you might end up breaking things. So one advice for you guys: when you are trying to open stuff you're not, used to, maybe you've never even got to see someone do that before. So you just have to be very careful and maybe try to watch some videos before you. I just prefer you watch some videos before you try to go into them. Okay, so that's what he told me. He said literally nothing was wrong with it. It was charging. Yeah, though it had some issues on the display, but on this charge it will drain according, like from 100, 99, 98, all the way down to 0. But here's the thing, okay? If you have a power bank and it's faulty, probably it's not charging anymore, okay? Whatever it is, your power banks usually exhibit this, malfunctions, unpredictable. But I just want you to know that there are two things. Oh, two things, just two things, okay? Uh, Battery and the board. The board and the battery, just those two components in it. So usually, if it's not the battery, it's the board. Okay, if you are advanced in board technology, printed circuit and stuff like that, you could pretty much detect what fault or what component on the board is faulty, and then you could just simply change that. And that's a fix, okay? But if you're not really advanced, if you're not really good at printed circuit boards and all that stuff, I just prefer you buy a new board. That's in the case of a broken board, okay? Let's say you open up the power bank and then you detach the battery from the board. So you tested the battery and you found out that the battery is really working. It's still working, it still sparks. Like, you jump charged it and it's still working. Okay, so you now know that the fault is from the board. For me, I just simply order a new board of same size, probably same shape, and then I fix it in, and that's a fix for me. So if you notice is the board, okay, that is still functioning, but the battery is dead, yeah, you just order for new batteries, and that's how you fix power banks. Simple as that, okay? So that's just it, guys. That's just it. See you on my next video.